Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of full stack Java projects, we are in the project Employee Management System, where we should able to add the employee, get the employees, update employee, and delete the employee. And this project is developed using Spring Boot and Angular. And coming to the previous videos, we have created the Spring Boot project, and we are able to get the list of employees, get all employees from the employees table. We have created a REST API, get mapping, and even we have created this create employee. Once you create object of employee, and if you pass to this method, it's going to insert this employee object into the table using this save method of employee repository. And let us run this project in GSL at our Angular site. Once the building is successful, when you reload this page, we are going to get the list of employees present in our employee table. Today in this video, let us add header and footer to this page. So to add header and footer, let us go to our Angular project, and in this, go to this styles.css. So let us add some styles here. Let us add the styles like header, dot header. We are creating a class dot header, and where we say the position as relative, then top 0, top margin is 0, then width is 100%, and height we are giving it as 30 pixel. Then background color, let me go with the green. Some colors, it's up to you. And the text align center. Text align center. Now, let us go with the color of the text as white. Color white. Now, let us go with one more class here. Dot footer. Then position. Position, let us go with absolute. Then bottom, from bottom it is 0. Margin, then width. Width, let us go with 100%. Then height 30 pixel. Then background color, let me go with same green. Then text align center and color white. Now, so let us use these styles present in styles.css file. When we create the classes in styles.css, these classes we can use in all the components here. Now, so to apply this headers and footer, let us go to this app.component.html file. Go to app.component.html file. So in this, let us go with the header. So let us go here, header, class equal to header. We are saying header class equal to header, and we'll create one division, class equal to container. It's a bootstrap class. And here we go with the H4, employee management system. Employee management system. Then close your division, close your header. There. Now, let us create one navigation. Let us go with even footer here. Let us even go with footer. Footer, class equal to footer. Then div class equal to container. Then span, all rights reserved. I'm going with Raj, take now this. Right? So this is our header and this is our footer. Now, let us create one navigation. navigation, class equal to navbar expand, navbar expand sm bg primary, the color we are giving it as bg primary, background primary, and navbar dark. So we are just creating one navbar. In between this navbar, let us remove this part. So here, let us create one UL class equal to navbar nav. Here we have to close the double quotes. That's a mistake. No. So let us create one UL class navbar nav, and in this, let us create one list item class equal to nav item class equal to nav item. Then just let us create one router link now. Router link equal to employees. So we are referring to this employees here. So when we refer to this router link employees, class equal to nav link. It's a link here, and we are saying an employee list. We are creating what? Employee list. So when you click on this employee list, it should go to with one router link employees. So what is the link we have created? When you go to this file, app routing.model.ts, when the path is employees, which component should get loaded? List employee component should get loaded. So that is the heading what we have created here. So we have created the heading, and we have created navigation. We have created navigation, and when you click on this employee list, it should reroute to employees list. Let us build this application now up here. Terminate this ngset. So there is some unexpected closing tag. This closing of UL not done. Let us terminate again and let us compile ngset. Right. Once the compilation is successful, see here. So we are getting the heading C, employee management system, and this is our footer, all rights reserved, Raj Technologies. And here we are getting C, the navigation link employee list. So when you click on this employee list, it's displaying the list of employees to us. Right? Now, let's add one more in this app.component.html. Let us create one more router link, which is going to connect to this add employee, which is going to connect to what? Add employee. So for that one, let us create one component, ng generate component, create employee. Ng generate component, create employee. Now the component is created. Now let us go to this Visual Studio Code. Now let us create one more nav item. Let us go with one more nav item. Copy and paste over here. And let us go with this hyperlink as add employee. Add employee. So when you click on this add employee, let us go with the router link as create employee. I'm giving the router link as what here? Create employee. Now when you click on this add employee, the router link name is create employee. Now go to this app.routing.module, app routing module.ts file. Now here we have to add the routing here. So what routing we need to add here? Just go with one more path. Let us create one more path here. Path create employee, and the component what should get loaded is create employee component. Which component should get loaded when the path is create employee component. Now let us come back here and reload your page. Okay, it has been terminated, right? So compile this ngServ. Once the building is successful, so here you can see add employee. So when you click on this add employee, see it's working. See create employee works. So it's redirecting to create employee, right? So that's about in this video. Just what you have done in this video, we have created the header and we have created the footer and we have created one navigation where we have added two navigation hyperlinks. Employee list, when you click on employee list, it's going to display the list of employees. When you click on add employee, it's just showing that create employee works. So in the next video, we'll design the form. When you click on this add employee, we are going to design the form. Once we fill the form, you should be able to invoke the service. That is create employee service, and that should redirect to our Spring Boot application, and you should be able to invoke this service, create employee service. So this we'll be discussing in the next video, right? Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.